In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix a laggy/glitchy screen when playing Roblox mobile. So open up your menu, then go to settings. Now scroll down until you get to graphics quality, and I suggest just dropping this a little bit. You should also turn on reduce motion. Now scroll down a little bit more until you get to camera mode. You just want to change this from the setting you're currently on. If you're in an experience where it's set by a developer, there's not a lot you can do except for changing the movement mode. Back out of that menu and give it another go. If it's still not working, then what we need to do is back out of Roblox entirely, and now you need to go into settings. Now that you're in settings, we'll need to go just to general. Once in general, go to iPhone storage, and now click on the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type in Roblox. Now press on Roblox and you'll need to offload the app. So this is just going to clear the cache and any sort of temporary files, and then you'll need to just reinstall it. Now give it another go. If it's still not working, what we need to do is go to the App Store and click on our profile in the top right corner. Now go to App Updates, and you want to just make sure that Roblox is up to date. If it's not, then it will appear in this menu here. So give it another go. If it's still not working, then the last thing you can try is simply just holding on the Roblox app on the home screen and then press remove app and then delete app. You'll now need to reinstall it. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.